long 4-year project on end-of-life care. It's a series of projects, one of which is around improving end-of-life care in a clinical setting, so end-of-life care inside the hospital. And as part of that, we really want to engage both healthcare workers and the public around charting, in general, the attitudes around end-of-life care. The public obviously brings a non-medical perspective. They cross all different ranges of economics and backgrounds and education, whereas healthcare workers are obviously trained in the profession that happens in the hospital, but they allow us to show and see the kind of comparisons and the contrasts and the tensions between the two areas. One of the things that we discovered was that the public and healthcare workers had lots of great differences, but one of the things that they all agreed upon that no one really had any sort of strong understanding of was the planning for end-of-life care. And so medical people as well as the public didn't really discuss their end-of-life care with their loved ones, and this showed us that this is a universal problem, not dedicated to non-medical people, but in fact it's an undisclosed problem that we really think could be explored further. So one of the things that we're thinking about is how we can instigate conversations around end-of-life care, and that's one of our projects that we're taking on at the moment. We're building a prototype that we can test out and develop over time. It's very vital that we get public engagement around these types of projects because, of course, end-of-life care is something that affects absolutely everyone, and for us to make long-lasting, high-impact work, we really have to engage all levels of the public.